So Rich, MagnaFlow has a muffler for just about everybody in every skill level. And we have sitting here the MagnaFlow DFit line. Can you explain a little bit more about it for us?
Yeah, our DFit line is for that person that wants to have that MagnaFlow sound, but maybe doesn't have the skill set to cut, fabricate, and weld in one of our universals, but also is a little bit more budget conscious that doesn't want to buy a full bolt-in, complete exhaust system from our direct fit lineup. The DFit is available in two ways though. We actually have it with a muffler, or we even have the ones that are muffler deletes. So we have DFit with muffler, DFit without muffler, but what you do get in the package is everything you need to bolt it in, and at worst case scenario, you may have to cut one spot, but it clamps in with no welding or no other fabrication.
Man, that's fantastic. So you not only are getting that MagnaFlow sound, you're getting it at a good price, and you can get these right at summitracing.com. So head over to our website and check out the full selection of MagnaFlow DFit mufflers.